Evaluate 1 by 31 using Newton's iteration method up to 4 decimal places. For any real number a such that a is strictly greater than 0, we have deduced Newton-Raphson formula to find out reciprocal of a is given by xn plus 1 equals 2 times xn minus a times xn square. Here we have to give a equals 31 in order to find out reciprocal of 1 by 31. Thus we have Newton-Raphson formula that will be used here is xn plus 1 equals 2 times xn minus 31 times xn square, which can also be written as xn plus 1 equals xn times 2 minus 31 xn. If you take x naught equals 1 by 30, we can easily compute the reciprocal of 1 by 30 as equal to 0.03. Hence we choose x naught equals 0.03 as the first approximation in order to find out the value of 1 by 31. In order to find out x1, we have to give n equals 0 in this equation. Thus we obtain x1 equals x naught multiplied to 2 minus 31 times x naught, where x naught will be given the value 0.03. Whenever we are asked to find out reciprocal of a real number, we will choose first approximation as the nearest value to the given number whose reciprocal is easy to find out. In order to find out x2, we will give n equals 1 in this equation, and thus we have the equation x2 equals x1 multiplied to 2 minus 31 times x1, where x1 will be given the value 0.0321. Thus we obtain x2 equals 0.032257. In order to compute x3, we will give n equals 2 in this equation, and thus we obtain x3 equals x2 multiplied to 2 minus 31 times x2. We give x2 equals 0.032257 and we obtain x3 equals 0.03226. With this many iterations, we have 1 by 31 equals approximately 0.0323. Since after 2 we have a value which is greater than 5, you can round it to 3. Thus we have rounded 0.03226 as 0.0323.